Benjamin Williams, goalkeeper of Portmore Utd.
Tell us how pleased are you coming up big 3 times regarding to ensure that your team into the finals of this Lynks Cup?
Well, once the game goes into penalty shootout, that's the keeper moment. So I just provide for my team, and come up victorious.
And were you always confident that you would have pulled off something for them?
Yeah, very, very confident. It's over because in training, specialized penalty, stop here, and try to get in the player mind, so that's my thing.
It seemed that you were very calm and composed. In terms of your read, what did you feel that I guess you were able to throw them off a little bit?
The thing is about penalty shootout, you got to make up the player mind, so that's what I did.
From a season out of the playoffs, basically you were all in for the Lynks Cup. What does this mean in terms of for you and your teammates to finish the season with a title?
Yes, because unfortunately we need to make it to the playoffs, so we got to win this Lynks Cup.
No problem. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you very much.